These are some free banks available going down to the Costco store at the Rego Shopping Center. And I should be able to get free banks all along. This one's coming. I believe someone is getting this one. But I don't know what's with this one. Oh, this one's coming. Oh, bell. That's obnoxious. This is large. Costco. Ooh, 7,000. Let's get the signal button works. That's low on oil. Alright, let's go back up. There we go. Alright, let's give you cat view. That's jolt. This could be hydraulic. Try to scan. Pass on this is 7,000. This thing is terrible. It's only not like a mop. Nice jolt, relevel, interlocks there. But point you guys that out. And their two doors are open. That's how the controllers look like. This one closes, and that's it. They're gonna get this one.